How to set up automations in Airtable. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can set up automations in Airtable. So let's get right into it. The first step is to log in into your Airtable account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you can see different options. You can see some icons by the left and in the middle of the screen. You can see other icons as well, and then you can now see your base. So the next thing is to click your base to open it up. So after clicking on the base, you will be brought to the base interface. Alright, so just go ahead and cancel this getting started, and then you wait for the page to load fully. Once that's loaded, you can see the page by the left side. You can see different views available, and then at the middle of the screen, you can see other fields available as well. So once you can see this, the next option is move to the top part of the screen. Next to the title of the base, you can see some icons or some tabs which include data, automations, interfaces. But the next step is to select the automation feature. All right, and after selecting automation, you can see by the left side, you can see let Airtable do the work for you by automating your common tasks. So you can see different tasks available. The next step here is to go ahead and choose a trigger. Okay, look at the three triggers available. You can just choose a trigger that will initiate the automation. For example, if this is the trigger that you want, select it. After selecting the trigger, you'll be brought to another page. On this page, you can see run history, you can see some options, you can see create automation, then you can see add advanced logic, etc. Then after seeing all of this, the next step is to go ahead and okay, let's refresh this page. Okay, so now, once you're on this page, the next thing to do is move to the left side of the screen and increase the trigger details, such as creating a table. So you have to select a table. Which of the table would you like to select? Then you have to add the condition as well. So click on add condition, and then you'd have to fill in all of this. So after adding the condition, you go ahead and test the trigger. After test the trigger, add an action that's the trigger that the automation would perform. Okay, so after I did the action, text the action to confirm it functioned correctly, and then turn the automation on to make it live. It's very simple. Like I said, just go to your upper part of the screen, click on automations, select the trigger you want. Then here you put details about the trigger, then test the trigger, and then you have to input an action in here, then test it if it's working, and then once you're done, turn on the automations and you are good to go. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, and ensure you have a good day.